Is this the start of a bigger altcoin season and not just altcoin rally? Look at this whole crypto market right now, absolutely in green. And in this video, we're going to be having a look at XRP. We're also going to be having a look at XLM because it looks like right now they are moving like twins. So if you guys do like this video, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, leave a like, turn the notification bells on so you guys never miss a video. So having a look right here at the whole crypto bubble, everything is looking pretty good. In the last week, everything is in bright green. We got Pengu up, XLM is up 60% in the last week alone. XRP is up 33% in the last week as well. If we have a look on the monthly time frame, we got 85% for XLM and 47% for XRP right here. You guys can see that XRP is currently a number 3 cryptocurrency officially with Stellar Lumen XLM right behind it on number 14. And if you take away Wrap Bitcoin and STEH and USDC and all the altcoins, all the stable coins, sorry, in my opinion, XLM is easily a top 10 cryptocurrency right now. And it looks like it's making its way up to pass, Hyperliquid, Cardano, Tron, etc. It is not far away. And XRP, guys, can it potentially flip Ethereum? Because at this rate, pumping 10% every day. So we're going to be diving into these 3 charts right here on XRP and XLM. But before that, if you guys have not signed up with BYD, this thing does end July 17 in about 5 hours from now. If you deposit $20,000 worth of crypto right now and you transfer to futures, you will get a free $2,000 bonus within 24 hours. Okay, this is the best deal you could get. No other exchanges will give you $2,000 for free. Usually you have to trade, do a bunch of volume, etc. You will literally get $2,000 free dollar for absolutely free. So make sure you guys sign up. And if you guys are not in my Discord, I would highly suggest, because people are absolutely printing on my Discord right here. You guys can see I dropped a trade right here. People are saying thank you for introducing it to me. Boom. Look at that, 3 trades that I dropped on my VIP, which is completely free. People are absolutely printing on my Discord. So make sure you guys click on the link in the description below as well. So having a look right here at XRP, guys, on the 1 hour time frame, things are looking pretty good. It looks like XRP keeps on killing it with break structure after break of structure after break of structure. We are clearly above this POC level, which is very good on the 4 hour time frame. We do have a lot of liquidity and volume right here, which is also good. But as long as XRP does remain above $3, in my opinion, we're only going to keep going out. But the chart that I want to have a look at, guys, is on the bigger time frame, and that's the chart on the weekly time frame. If you guys remember on my live, I told you guys that XRP, we took a lot of XRP longs, by the way, and a lot of XRP positions. And I told you guys that this was going to essentially fly. If we break above the weekly resistance, we were essentially going to moon. And if you have a look on my Discord, you guys can see that people were so confident in my calls that they went 50x, up 956%. And this literally was when the marked price of XRP was only $2.74. Imagine how high and how crazy. And this guy still has not closed it. You could literally go to my Discord and ask. $2.74. This thing is up 18% since, and he has yet to close it. Of course, we took some profit along the way, 25%, but I told you guys a million times to essentially long XRP, and this is exactly what is happening right now to the XRP price. Obviously, ever since we also had that green signal right here, if you guys remember my video at the beginning a few months ago, and I told you guys that XRP was in this massive consolidation and that a breakout was most likely going to be imminent. So not only did we get the green diamond, okay, but we also got the breakout above the resistance. So that's what's happening right here with XRP. Well, what's really interesting, guys, is of course XLM. You guys can see that XLM, we did have the breakout on July 6th, sorry, and I told you guys that a massive altcoin season was going to come, and guess what's going to come first? The Dino coins. Ever since we broke above these EMA ribbons, we always came back and retested these exponential moving average. We always stayed above it. And we know, guys, like I say in all my videos, every time we are above these EMA ribbons, the trend is your friend. When we are below it, you guys can see when we are below it, the trend is obviously in the bearish side. And as soon as we are above it, the trend is to the bullish side. So that's what's happening right now with XLM Stellar Lumen. I know a lot of people are like, oh, but those were oversold. If we have a look at the stochastic RSI, look at this. A lot of people, I remember they shorted right here. They're like, yo, those, it's too much. It's overbought, la. And guess what happened? The price literally, like the stochastic RSI was coming down and the price was moving to the upside. So people were absolutely getting wrecked, and people are DMing me. They're like, yo, Dose, I'm such a shit trader. Like, what do I do? Guys, it's not that hard. In a bull market, you're longing. In a bear market, you're shorting. It's literally not that complicated. And pretty much that's about it. If we have a look right here at also at the RSI might look a little bit overbought, but guess what? We had the same thing. We were overbought right here. Guess what happened? We were overbought right here. We kept on pumping as the price was decreasing. And I'm not gonna lie, yeah, we did have a bearish divergence, but of course this is invalid right now, so it doesn't matter. If we have a look right here on the daily time frame, guys, I know a lot of people are gonna be like, oh, but those were overbought on the daily time frame. I think it's time for bears. Like, yeah, you could definitely get a correction, but it looks like it's not stopping. Look, we already got the correction. We had 1 wick right here, 2 wicks, 3 wicks, and it looks like we're moving to the next step, which most likely going to be 57 cents. So that's what's happening right here with XLM, guys. We had the bear market right here. We had the consolidation to the downside on the daily time frame. So in my opinion, after this dump right here and after this massive dump, I think this thing is needed. I really do think that this thing is needed. Just because we are seeing 2 to 3 days, maybe a week of pumping, does not mean that we're gonna go. Doesn't mean we're gonna go down. We saw multiple months and multiple years of dumpage on XLM, and I think it's time for it to go back to the all-time high, in my honest opinion. So that is my quick video, guys, on XLM. I think XLM is still a very low market cap cryptocurrency, currently sitting at $14 billion. If we have a look right here at the market cap and we go on the log, this thing is about to crack all-time high. We saw an all-time high back in December 7, 2024. So in my opinion, this thing is very, very close to essentially cracking an all-time high. If we have a look at XRP real quick, just to finish this, XRP has officially hit an all-time high in terms of market cap. And of course, in terms of price, we know that the all-time high right here was sitting at $3.22 on January 4th, 2018. And guys, it looks like it's only going to continue going up. Of course, not financial advice. Always do your own research. If you guys want to join my Discord and you want to join the best trading channel, make sure you guys click on the link in the description below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace out.